In this video, I want to talk about if you can order from Temu. Now, most international, you should be able to order from Temu, but there are a few places that you cannot do it from. So in this list, I'll show you which ones that you can do it from. So just pause the video real quick and check for your region. So if you're in North America, just check any of these. If you're in Europe, you should be able, if you live in any of these. Asia and Oceania, check any of these. Latin America, these, and Africa, you should be able to do from these. Now, if you are from anywhere that's not on this list, you probably cannot do it. Now, these are some of the ones that can't. In Indonesia, it's banned. Mainland China, that's because they use another one called Pinduoduo. And most African countries, these are currently the only ones in Africa that you can do it. So most African countries cannot do it. They're currently expanding, so maybe if you watch this video long after this date, you might be able to do it. Now, countries under international sanctions cannot do it, and also the countries not listed up here usually. If you want to check it easily, you can go to Temu, put something in your cart, and go to the shipping and try and look for your country. Now that's basically how you can check it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.